Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this really simple, I'm going to call it a beachy eye look. This is the eye look that I did with this whole bronzy, glowy summer look. So if you missed that one, I will link it up here so you can see how I created the base for this. But this is just the eye look that I did. Really simple to do. I think it's really, really pretty. You can use colors that are similar to what I'm using today. Today I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So if you have it, pull it out. If you don't, just use what you already have in your collection, okay? Okay. And if you are new here, would love to have you join us here. I share makeup, skincare, sometimes fashion for us mature ladies. Sometimes I do some reviews. Sometimes I talk about crap products I don't like. I just like whatever. So if that's something that interests you, would love to have you join. Just click that button below, hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that notification bell too, because I don't want you to miss out on any of my content. Let's get into the video. So now we are going to do, this is kind of like part 2 of the bronzy look. I am going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette. So we've got these gorgeous shades in here and they all look very summery to me. I mean, you can wear them anytime. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and apply it right here. Now, by the way, I've already added my primer. I always use an eyeshadow primer and I use the one from Trish McEvoy. I'm just putting this in here first and do the same thing. I'm going to blend it yet. I just want to apply it first. This was my BK Beauty brush number 203. Now I'm going to go and take my BK Beauty brush number 202. I'm going to blend this. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to take that, I'm going to take this color right here. Yeah, that one right there. And I'm going to just go right here on the outside. I love her shadows, I really do. I just shared a video on products of, that I wasted my money on, and there have been several of Charlotte's that I've wasted my money on. But one thing I will tell you that I haven't is her eyeshadows. I really, really do like her eyeshadows. I just think they're pigmented, they're buildable, I just love them. I really do. I know I've shared this before, but it's good to have a mirror right in front of you and then one a little farther away, because you get two perspectives. I just feel like if you're just looking close up, you may not see an area you didn't apply it to or whatever. I mean, definitely makes a big difference. I know it does for me. So one thing I want to do before I get to the next step, I just want to take my Anastasia. This is a color corrector primer. I use it as a concealer, and I believe this is in the number 1 that I have. And I will just go here and just clean it up a little bit like that. And I just take my fingers and just blend it so it doesn't look like I have a line there, but it's so close to my skin color you really can't even tell. But I just want to make sure you don't see that. And I'm just going to very, very gently blend the outside corners in just a little bit more. Just want to keep it inside here, because even though I clean it up, I don't want it to look like a harsh line. So now I want to take a little bit of a shimmer, and I think I'm going to use my fingers today. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and that color. I'm going to kind of mix the two, and I'm just going to apply it on my lid. Just want a really subtle shimmer there. Do you see that? Do the same thing and do it on this eye, just right there. Isn't that pretty? I want to do my liner, and I want to get it as close to my lash line as possible, because what I want to do is just make my lashes look thicker, but I don't want it to look like I have an eyeliner on. So I'm going to take this. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Barbarella Brown. I'm going to take this. I'm going to go right. I'm going right on my lashes. I'm not going on top of my lashes. It's going right on my lashes. And I'm just very gently applying this right there. I just really want my lashes to look thicker, but I don't want it to look like I drew a line above it. Go right here in those lashes and just gently blend it in. So see the difference already between this eye and that eye? See how it looks? My lashes look thicker, but it doesn't look like I have liner on. So it's just really natural. And I'm going to get it right down here too. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. I'm going right, you see? It's hard to do because I can't see without my mirror. Hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. There we go. So right on, whoops, I got a little bit above it. It's okay, we can fix it. Just go right on. So I kind of slightly close my eye a little bit. And then I'm going to take this, going right on my lashes and just kind of scrubbing it in there. So now I want to do the lower lash line, and I am going to use that same brown pencil again. I'm just going to go right really lightly on my lower lash line. Okay, then I'm going to take that smudge brush So this is how, this was really, really easy to do. This would be a look that I would do, honestly, I would do this, I do this a lot of times, but especially if I'm going to the beach or something like that, I'm doing this bronzy kind of a look. I just want to do like a really simple eye, just really simple, fresh makeup. I do put quite a bit of mascara on because, girl, I have no lashes. So I want to be able to see some of my lashes, but I just like it because I just think it's just a really pretty, fresh, beachy, summery look. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Would really, really, really appreciate it. Really would appreciate it if you guys would share my videos. You can follow me on Instagram. I will leave the details below with everything that I'm wearing in this video. And I will catch you guys all in, I just said video, but I will catch you all in my next video. Okay, bye. And this is the Paulo talk. What the? This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. What the hell was? Did you see that little? Yeah. Oh, I didn't do my screenshots. Okay, I have to do my glamour shots. I am the most unsexiest person ever. Seriously. When I have to do a picture of myself and I see people that do their photos like this, and I see me, I look like I'm constipated. It's like what the hell? I don't know how to be sexy. I just don't know how to be sexy, so I'm just doing my best. Okay. All right.